I want to show you how to nurture your email list as a hormone health coach using the Wellness Vault content. So if you head over to the client resource section, we have hundreds of guides that you could potentially send out to your email list as a hormone health coach. Now, many of these guides can also be used in your one-on-one coaching or even to build out your own signature programs. But if you go over to this holistic health tag, this will show you all of the content that could potentially be used with clients who are dealing with hormone health issues. So they're not all directly related to hormone health, but they have something to do with hormone health coaching. So as an example, we have this low toxin kitchen guide tools. So if you click on this guide, it will bring up this in Canva. And from here, you can make any changes you want. So you can change out the fonts, you can change out the colors, you can add your own image, perhaps of yourself in the front of the guide, something to make it unique to you. You can also add a page. So if you click add a page here, and you can create an about me page as well. So if you want your face to be on this guide, you can go ahead and do that as well. Now you can change any of this out by, let's say I want to change the color of this bar because it doesn't match with my branding elements. I can go to the color here. Let's say I want this nice bright yellow, and then I change all, and it will show up for every single page on here. So it's pretty quick to go ahead and change the look of these guides. Now I'm just going to head back up top, and now what we're going to do is we're going to take this guide. So I personally like to send anything in an email as a link. So when I go to this share button, I'm going to download this, and I'm actually going to bring it into, whoops, I'm going to go back and hit more. I'm going to bring it into my Google Drive. And the reason I'm going to do that is because then I can share it as a link inside of my newsletter. So if I go to this Google Drive here, I'm just going to click a folder to bring it into. I'm going to do it as a PDF, not as a PNG. Hit save, and now it's going to bring it right into my Google Drive, and I can share this as a link inside of one of my email newsletters. So if I view in Google Drive, all I have to do is hit share. I'm going to say anyone with the link, copy the link, and now I can attach this link inside of my email newsletter, and it will bring them right to this free guide. So this is one way that you could send out maybe once a month or once a quarter to your email list. Now, if you also go here, I think it's wonderful to send out recipes either on a weekly or monthly basis. So I'm going to head to the recipe section here, and I'm going to choose hormone-friendly recipes. Now, hormone friendly is, of course, a subjective topic depending on who you talk to as a coach, but we have this hormone healthy tag here with recipes that we find to be hormone healthy, have good healthy fats, plenty of protein, use clean ingredients. So you can use this tag to find recipes that align with hormone health. Now, you can also look through our database for certain things by choosing the filters button. So you could go here and you could say, well, I want to make sure that there's at least 20 grams protein per meal and that we are going with gluten-free. You can put that in the tag. Perhaps you want a lower preparation time. You know your clientele is busy. Maybe you say, okay, I don't want any more than a 20-minute preparation time, and then hit apply. And it will give you, again, all the recipes that comply with those parameters. Now you can filter down even more by meal. So let's say in this newsletter, we are doing, 10, or not 10, but let's say 3 healthy packable lunch ideas that are hormone healthy. And we'll hit apply. So the more specific you can get in your newsletters, the better open rate you're going to get, and the better your clients are going to be able to see how you can potentially help them and provide value to them. So definitely this, apple banana yogurt bowl would be an easy packable lunch. So if you can click these 3 buttons here, hit share, turn this on, and then grab the link. And now this link, again, can be attached in any of your emails. So you have this link, and it will bring it right up to this recipe. Your business name will show up on top, your logo, your website will all show up here in order for your client to click on and then see this as the website or the recipe that you are personally sharing with them. Now, you can go down more, and we said 3, so you're going to go ahead and grab 3 links. Maybe this turkey and quinoa power salad is easy to pack. So again, you hit share and grab the link and then attach it inside of your email newsletter. Now you can also attach full recipe bundles or meal plans if you wish to. We even have an already ready hormone healthy meal plan. So you can choose this meal plan, or you can create your own meal plan from scratch. And then you could even use this as a lead magnet to build your email list, to get people onto your email list in the first place. So those are just some ways to build and nurture your email list as a hormone health coach using the Wellness Vault.